This is for Paul, Stuart and Gary, High Chrome. This is Simon from RK International. We've been speaking about a cylindrical grinder, and I mentioned that I was going to Timtos in Taiwan. This is actually the machine that was on the JAINNHER stand at the show, and RK have had a long history with JAINNHER on their centerless grinding machines, but because of the delivery on the other machine that we were discussing, I thought you should see this machine. This is currently on about a 4-month delivery plus shipping, and this is a Plunge type grinder from JAINNHER. We've still got a universal table on there, but this is the JHP2003 CNC. So 2003, it's a 200mm diameter swing over the bed, and we've got 300mm between centres. Standard with the JAINNHER JHPs is we've got a probe underneath there. You can just see the stylus has been removed for shipping. So 2 days ago this machine was at the show. And you've also got X-axis 0.5 micron Heidenhain linear scale for accuracy. This particular model has got the new screen that they'll be launching sometime soon. So it's a big 14-inch screen from Fanuc. You also notice up there it's got automatic door on it as well. So if press the button. So that's an option as well on this machine. Just thought you guys should see it. Sort of delivery to the UK, be comfortably, I'd have thought, within sort of 6 months from order at the moment. Let's just show you around the back. Inside the electrical cabinet, see your Fanuc servo amps. It's all well-known electrics. Siemens switchgear. So I mentioned RK International. We've got a very long relationship with JAINNHER. There's your hydraulics, and we're just going to quickly just show you from a distance just the size of the factory, and more JAINNHER machines in build. Some more different types of angular approach, plunge, universal type grinders, conventionals, and we're just going to do a short mock-up on your part.